Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to interaction control using our volume up button and side buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So how to set up our shortcut? We have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and under advanced settings at the top, we have a few buttons combinations. We are interested in side and volume up buttons. Right now, as you can see, we have voice access under this shortcut. Let's turn it off and let's use interaction control. Yes. And let's see if our shortcut is working. So side button and volume up button at the same time. Yes, of course, we don't have our up connected to it, but our shortcut is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.